Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 effective methods on how to stop automatic restarts on Windows 10 PC. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just browsing, these tips will help you stay in control. Let's dive in. The first method is straightforward and involves controlling Windows 10 updates. Automatic restarts often happen after updates are installed in the background. Here's how to ensure you're notified before a restart occurs. Click on the Start button on the bottom left corner of your screen. A menu will appear. Then navigate to Settings. Once the Settings is opened, in the Settings menu, select Update and Security. This will take you to the Windows Update page. Scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Once it is opened, enable the toggle for update notifications to get alerts before a restart is scheduled. It will alert you if your update is downloaded. After this, it will not automatically download. Additionally, you can set active hours to prevent restarts during specific times. Go back to the main Windows Update page. Click on Change Active Hours. Set your preferred hours, such as 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., to avoid unexpected restarts while you're actively using your PC. If your PC is restarting due to system failures, this method will help. Let's disable the automatic restart setting. Close the Settings app. Double-click on this PC app. Once you are in, right-click this PC and select Properties from the menu. Click on Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced tab under Startup and Recovery, click on Settings. Uncheck Automatically Restart under System Failure. Click OK to save changes. If there is a system failure, your PC will not turn off automatically. By disabling automatic restarts, you can diagnose the error instead of your PC rebooting abruptly. Overheating can also cause your PC to restart. Reducing your CPU's maximum processor state can help lower temperatures and prevent shutdowns. Here's how. Click on the Start button on the bottom left. Then you have to click on Settings. Then click on System section. Then click on Power and Sleep section. Under Related Settings, click on Additional Power Settings on the top right. Choose Balanced or Power Saver, then click on Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Power Options window, expand Processor Power Management. Locate Maximum Processor State and reduce it from 100% to 95% or lower. Lowering the maximum processor state can significantly reduce heat buildup. For example, in my case, reducing it to 90% kept temperatures stable and stopped my PC from shutting down during heavy tasks like video rendering. Clean your PC with compressed air to remove dust. Ensure proper ventilation in your workspace. Consider installing additional cooling solutions, such as fans or a cooling pad. And that's how you stop automatic restarts on Windows 10 PC. That's our 3 methods to stop your Windows 10 PC from restarting automatically. Whether it's controlling updates, addressing system failures, or managing overheating, these tips will keep your PC running smoothly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.